Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you a new glitch that you can use on iPhone and Android to get unlimited coins in eFootball 2024. It's completely free, you don't need to download any file, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it, alright? So watch all the video because there are very important steps that you need to do. Alright, I'm going to open it first on my Android, and then I'm going to do it on iPhone. And just check this out. As you can see, as soon as we enter eFootball 2024, just check the amount of coins and points that I have here. So basically, this is an unlimited amount of coins and points because basically I will not be able to spend this amount of coins and points. It's too much. But if for some reason you want more, just go on the shop and go in the coins shop and you will see that all the coins will be unlocked. So you will see all the packs unlocked. All you're going to do is just tap to one pack that you want, and then that pack will be unlocked and added to your eFootball 2024 account automatically. So that's how it works, and as you can see it works perfectly. And this also works on iOS devices. So here I have my iPhone device. I'm just going to launch eFootball 2024 and just check this out. As you can see, I will be getting the same exact amount of coins and points here. Basically, it's like 1 billion coins and 1 billion points. And yeah, this is a very cool trick that you can use. All the coins are totally real, and this is 100% safe. There is no ban risk, you will not be banned. It's 100% safe. Now I'm going to show you how it works and you will understand why this is safe, okay? All right, so let's start the tutorial. The first step that we are going to do, just telling you that I'm going to do a tutorial on my iPhone, but it's the same steps for Android, okay? So the first step is going to the App Store or Play Store, and then next we need to press here on search, and here just search eFootball 2024. So just search eFootball here, enter the original game or the original page of the game. And as you can see right now, I am updating the game to the latest version. There has been a new update, so I'm just updating it right now. So if you see here some update button, just press on the update button, then get the latest version of eFootball 2024. All right, so next what we are going to do is close this. And next, if you have an iPhone device, you will need to go to the settings on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, go here on the battery, and then disable the low power mode. As you can see, I have it right here. If you have an Android, just go to settings, okay, scroll down, go to battery, and disable the power saving mode. The Android versions are very different, so if you don't find this setting on your Android device, don't worry, because on Android this is not required. But if you do it, it will go faster to do the glitch. Anyways, if you don't find the setting, don't worry, okay? You can skip this step. Alright, so let's continue with the tutorial. Now, after doing this, we need to open the browser. So I'm just going to open, for example, Safari, but you can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. And then here you'll need to go to this site called bettermods.net. Alright, this is the official website of the developers of this extension of eFootball 2024. And now you will understand how this works. So here on Better Mods, just press on search, just type eFootball, and then it should pop up here the eFootball 2024 hack. As you can see, there is the previous version icon here, but don't worry because this extension has been updated and it's working on all versions. So it says unlimited coins here, and what you're going to do, just tap on it one time, tap on start injection, and this website what does is install browser extensions. So what this will do is install this extension through the browser that you are using. In this case, I'm using Safari, but as I said, it works on any other browser. And after this gets installed, all you're going to do is just launch this extension, okay? And this extension will launch the original game and then add you a limited amount of coins and points in eFootball 2024. That's basically how it works. It's super easy to use. And after this gets installed, you should see a page like this. But if it's the first time that you do it, instead of a page like this, you will see like a list of 1 or 2 apps. So when you see that, what you're going to do, just tap to an app, read instructions, install the app from the App Store or Play Store, and then complete the instructions inside the app. So after you have done this, now you can close this, and on your home screen you will see this extension that has been created. It's basically football. So when you see this, just tap on it one time. This will open the original game. And then here you will be able to access to the game. And just as you will see automatically, you will get 1 billion coins and points. So this is it. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Peace.